Today I'm going to show you the Phantom airplane, how to fold it. And the Phantom airplane is also another example of a great flying design for the Power-Up systems, Power-Up 2 and Power-Up 3. I used a nice color paper, but you can use any standard A4 or US letter paper that you have at home. So let's start. First thing you'll want to do is fold your airplane in half. Very similar to the fold of the Nakamura. Always pay attention to fold the nice and sharp creases and fold symmetrically. Open the paper and start by folding two triangles in front. The next phase is folding this entire triangle on this line up, and be sure to have this point on the line, on the center line. Use the back of your fingernail to make the creases really nice and sharp. The next thing you want to do is fold the tip back towards the front edge, and also make a nice and sharp crease. And now you'll fold these triangles back to the center line, and these edges will be a kind of a guiding edges. Okay, that's done. And now fold the entire airplane in half. And we'll go over everything. Okay. The next phase is creating the special dihedral angles that you have on the Phantom. You can see that we start with a positive dihedral angle and then a negative. What this gives us is, on the one hand, a lot of stability for this airplane, and on the other hand, we maintain lift. So this is how you do it. Just fold one wingtip about 1/2 inch from the edge and crease. And do this on the other side too. Just align to the bottom fold. Okay. The next thing you want to do is fold the wing line. Just follow this line. And do the same on the other side. Just make everything symmetrical and aligned. And the wingtips should be open back up. Now raise the dihedral angle. What you'll need to do with this airplane, with the Phantom, you'll need to nicely adjust the angles between the wings. They need to be very symmetrical, right and left. If you see that the angles are too strong, you can just gradually remove them, reduce them. And that's pretty much it.